Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this we're going to talk about the getchar function in C. So let's get started. So we could read a char from the keyboard using the getchar function. So let's create a variable called char from actually ch from the type char, and we're going to assign this value as equal the function getchar. So we have the getchar function which returns a int, okay. But if you guys remember, we can convert a integer to a char character, so a character in C. So that's will work just fine. So we're gonna print this char. So let's do that. So what you basically do is wait for me to type some char. So instance k, and then need to press enter. So when I do that, I can see the k right here. So let's use this inside of a loop very quickly. So let's create char sh equals. Let's not assign any value. Let's do this while ch is different from q. Okay. Okay. So what we're gonna do is to assign printf percent actually enter some char new line, and ch actually ch equals get char. Okay, so otherwise we're gonna printf percent c slash n sh. Okay, so that's our program. Let's execute. So let's see, I want to print y nothing, u nothing, o nothing. But if I press q, it exits, as you guys can see here. Okay, so that's pretty much our tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time.